Most people think they need a massive machine that sounds like a jet engine just to get a fresh glass of orange juice. That roaring sound can wake up the entire neighborhood before the sun even comes up, if you are tired of that morning chaos. This modern cold press approach is a complete game changer for your kitchen counter. It is small. It is sturdy. Most importantly, it is quiet enough to use while everyone else is still asleep. Traditional high-speed juicers use blades that spin so fast they create friction and heat. That heat actually kills the very nutrients you are trying to drink. It also creates a layer of foam that ruins the texture of your drink. This machine takes a different path. It uses a heavy internal screw to slowly squeeze the life out of your fruits and vegetables. You get more juice for your money. You get less waste. You get a flavor that actually tastes like the original produce. One of the best parts is the size of the opening at the top. You do not have to spend 20 minutes chopping everything into tiny pebbles. You can drop in larger chunks and let the machine do the heavy lifting for you. It handles apples, oranges, and even those tough leafy greens with total ease. Because it moves slowly, the juice comes out thick and vibrant. It feels premium. It feels healthy. Now, it is not a magic wand. If you're tossing in super fibrous things like ginger or celery, you will have to do a little bit of scrubbing later. The strainer catches those tiny hairs, and they can be stubborn. You also might want to pre-cut really hard items just to keep the motor happy. It is a fair trade for the quality you get back in return. Setting it up is surprisingly simple, even if you are not a gearhead. You just take the base and set it on a flat surface. Grab the bowl and align the arrows until you hear that satisfying click. Drop the pressing screw into the center. Slide the strainer over that. Pop the top chute on and lock it down. Finally, grab the food pusher and you are ready to go. It feels solid when it is running. There is no wobbling or sliding across the table. It is built to last through your daily routine. You can even branch out and make your own nut milks if you want to get creative. This adds a whole new level of versatility to your kitchen. Cleaning is not the nightmare you might expect. Most of the parts just need a quick rinse under the tap. There are fewer tiny corners for pulp to get trapped in compared to older models. This makes the whole process feel less like a chore and more like a quick part of your morning. You get consistent results every single time. Your post-workout drink or your breakfast boost will always have that same smooth texture. It provides that professional touch without needing a commercial-sized budget. If you want better juice without the headache of a complicated setup, this unit really hits the mark. It balances power with a compact footprint. It fits into a normal life without taking over the whole kitchen. It turns a messy job into something quick and enjoyable. This is about making health feel easy rather than like a secondary job. You deserve a morning routine that feels like a reward instead of a struggle. Once you taste the difference that cold pressing makes, you will never want to go back to the loud and watery alternatives. It is a simple upgrade that makes a massive impact on your daily health and your kitchen's sanity.